What if one voice could soften divisions across cultures, religions, and even generations? What if compassion, not conflict, became the loudest language in the world? Today we remember a humble man in white whose message echoed far beyond church walls. This is the story of Pope Francis, not just as a pope, but as a bridge builder between worlds. Welcome to Inspiring New Horizons, where we celebrate the people and ideas shaping a better, more united world. From the very beginning of his papacy in 2013, Pope Francis made it clear, this would not be business as usual. He chose the name Francis, inspired by Saint Francis of Assisi, the saint of peace, humility, and care for all creation. A clear sign, this papacy would speak to everyone, not just Catholics. Pope Francis opened the Church's arms wider than ever. He reached out to Muslims, Jews, Buddhists, atheists, and agnostics, not to convert but to listen. He met with imams, rabbis, and global leaders, not to assert dominance but to find common ground. In 2019, alongside the Grand Imam of Al-Azhar, he signed the document on Human Fraternity, a powerful statement for interfaith unity and peaceful coexistence. This wasn't just symbolic, it was radical. It helped dismantle centuries of suspicion and opened doors for honest, respectful dialogue. Pope Francis didn't just talk about unity, he lived it. He washed the feet of refugees and prisoners. He embraced the poor, the sick, and the forgotten, not from afar, but face to face. From young people dreaming of justice to elders longing for dignity, Pope Francis spoke directly to the human heart. He reminded us that worth is not found in wealth, power, or status, but in love, service, and solidarity. His message? The world changes when hearts change, and hearts change when we look at each other not as enemies, but as brothers and sisters. In a world often split by loud extremes, Francis called for the quiet strength of tolerance. He challenged religious fanaticism and ideological rigidity, urging people to, embrace mercy over judgment, dialogue over division, and compassion over control. He once said, "A good Catholic meddles in politics, but in the best sense, standing for human dignity, not partisan hatred." His courage empowered many, Christian or not, to reject dogma that divides and to stand up for love that unites. Whether addressing the United Nations, speaking to young people, or meeting with victims of injustice, Pope Francis became a moral compass pointing toward unity without uniformity. So, what did Pope Francis give us? Well, he gave us hope that people of different faiths, cultures, and ages can walk together. He gave us courage to speak for peace in an age of polarization. He gave us inspiration, not only to believe in a better world, but to build it with our own hands. As we remember him, let's honor his legacy, not just with words, but with actions. With every act of kindness, every bridge built, every open mind and listening heart, we continue his mission. This is Inspiring New Horizons, where we believe that every culture holds a piece of the truth and every heart has the power to heal. If this message touched you, please like, comment, and share it with others who believe in building a better, more united world. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost anything, but it truly means a lot to us. Your support helps us grow and continue creating content that inspires compassion, understanding, and peace across cultures. Thank you for being part of this journey. Together, we can keep building bridges, one story at a time.